This is how to experience abundance kahit merong famine. Joseph and Egypt experienced abundance in a time of famine. Ang ginawa kasi ni Joseph during the times of plenty, he made sure that there is a portion for savings. And because of that practice, kahit famine, Joseph and Egypt was experiencing abundance. It even saved the neighboring countries. The lesson here, it's very simple. During the times of your plenty or kung nakakatanggap ka pa ng sweldo, a portion must be kept for savings and investment. Because kapatid, the money that you save today will save you tomorrow. See you on my next video.